Hello guys, this is profit update video about Polaris 4GB GPUs, and you can see the Bitcoin price is almost 21,000, the Ethereum price is 1,100. A week ago Bitcoin price was over 30,000 and now it's 20,000. But despite this massive drop in the price, let's see if there is still profit on 4GB GPUs. Ethereum Classic 31 megahash hash rate, power consumption 110 watts, my electricity cost is 12 cents, 2% fees, and the monthly profit is 17 cents. So this is on loss because this is only for one GPU and you have also a power consumption for the CPU and the motherboard, so definitely not worth to mine Ethereum. Ravencoin 13.7 megahash at 135 watts. The monthly profit here is almost $1. Maybe you can mine Ravencoin, but it's with high power consumption and it's not recommended to mine it in the summer. So let's see next one. Ergo 65 megahash at 95 watts from the wall. The monthly profit here is $2.65. So you can still mine Ergo. It's on profit, it's not that much, but it's on profit. Worldcoin, almost half a megahash at 90 watts and only 60 cents per month. Beam 14.5 souls at 100 watts, minus 5 cents. And Turtle Coin 21 kilohash at 100 watts, minus $4.48. So if you are still mining with 4GB GPUs, the best option is to mine Ergo with $2.65 monthly profit. Okay guys, that was my quick update video about Polaris 4GB GPUs. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more mining videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.